Terry's gone to a course. Mummy's gone on a course, hasn't she? And we're going to go out and pick up all the stuff from the storm, aren't we? Right, we're going to go outside and we're going to clean some things. We are going to clean the lens and then we're going to go pick up some sticks, aren't we? Right, so we've got to pick up the stick and it's got to go in the wheelbarrow. I peed in there. I peed in that one. Because it's good. It's got... Is it nitrates? Like some sort of... Which one is it? We've got potassium, it's nitrogen. P is nitrogen. Potassium, nitrogen and PKN. Potassium, nitrogen and... But the K doesn't stand for what it says.
You just copied somebody else. You just wanted to pee outside.
Yeah.
Hello. I'm going to show you around the garden. Sun's out. Oh, hang on. What is this blue stuff? I think it's called sky. Let's have a look. Garlic's looking good. I haven't killed that. That's exciting. And then the parsley my mum's bought. That has been buttered by both the storms. Got the chives are coming up just there. Some chives, chivies. More. I'm not quite sure what I think one of them's parsley and one of them's coriander. The coriander's looking a little bit pathetic and I think it might die. Oh, sad coriander! Sad coriander! Parsley's kind of alright though. The fleece is covering up some spinach that I chucked in the ground, kind of because I needed to, you know, I just got a bit itchy, like I felt like I should be, and I had a spare 5 minutes and the sun was out, so as an experiment 2 weeks ago I was like, quick, what have I got that I can potentially throw in the ground? Nothing's come up and I doubt it will. Let's see, shall we? Nothing! Oh! Maybe a shoot, maybe. But, yeah, it's not a lot happening under there. One sec, let's put my fleece back on. Yeah, not much going on. If anything comes up under there, I will actually die of excitement. Saved the canes and made a tiny little pointless fence. There it is. It's quite sturdy, isn't it? Quite sturdy. Has absolutely no purpose whatsoever other than I wanted to use the canes and it made me happy. And this, so this patch here, I've sacrificed to my children to stop them messing with all the rest of it. This, they could do whatever they want with. That's the idea. So they've planted some garlic. That's here. So they've stuck some garlic in. Somewhere in there, there's some carrot seeds. Some more fleece. I've put some carrots in. Again, I will absolutely die of shock if anything's coming up, but we'll have a look. Let's have a look. What's the best bit to do? Anything? Nah, it doesn't look like anything's happening. Yeah, that's not surprising, but it's all experiments, isn't it? I think it's probably all a bit early for all this kind of stuff, but you know, if you don't try. There is absolutely nothing going on in there, but I only put them in maybe a week ago, so there's time. Got some growth happening on them, that's good. And oh, one more thing, the last thing I'll show you is over here is the strawberries. So let's go have a little look at the strawberries. So there's the strawberry patch here. All I've really done, I've just cleared out all the old leaves and weeded it. But everything I do at the moment, you have to sort of do in 10-minute intervals, while you're also making sure the children don't stab themselves with anything sharp or fall off anything high, or you know, all those things that you have to do when you have children. But yeah, they're quite happy. Let's have a look over here. The daffodils have been immense. Look at these snowdrops.